wonder, what construction vehicle is buried? I see tracks! We've got to keep digging. Hurry! We're so close! Did you see that? It's a cab! What vehicle is this? Here's an arm and a bucket. I think I know what it is! It's an excavator! Woohoo!